mostly dry, but so somebody can clean up because I don't know what we can get solution. What are we made of?
He's like, I'm tired. I'm too fat for this.
I want them to come out from behind the chair.